growth and tech adoption go hand in hand. One cannot be achieved without the other. If you're wanting to grow, you need some human independent data systems which are agnostic to human biases. The traditional FMCG business model where the guy goes to a store, writes down on paper, and then comes back to the depot and submits that paper, and then somebody manually has to figure out what he has written, and if he falters, you have a wrong order going out or either missing some order if a person sitting at the computer is not able to key in that order. So, and I also have a lot of FMCG background, 18 years into distribution, so I also knew this challenge. And so we were very open to adopting tech, and we were very clear that when we want to go, the moment we decide to go national, we would go with a tech solution for the Salesforce automation. So that is how we were very early adopters of Salesforce automation tool in the form of Bizom. Converting the order to fulfillment tracking also is a big challenge in the manual mode. As I told you, productivity, a Salesforce productivity, order tracking, order fulfillment are the two major parameters of any successful business growth. And these, both the parameters were easily enabled by Bizom, the use of Bizom. Even today, we use all the advanced analytics also of Bizom, whereas we track the productive calls, unproductive outlets, then stock at the retailer level. This is another advanced feature that Bizom offers and which we are also using currently, is to track inventory at the outlet level and how we can give out a suggested order basis the inventory available at the store with the help of the historical sales data that is there in the system. So this is one of the major new drivers that we are pushing for, is a suggested order format whereby manual intervention will be reduced to that extent. Earlier, without this, we were at the mercy of the sales executive's judgment of actually how much stock is going to put or not put in the store, which we were not able to figure out until he has delivered, like he has delivered the wrong quantity or optimum quantity. Because for a fresh product like us with a 14-day shelf life, managing inventory is of the most critical part of the business, because you have so much inventory available and you have to optimize its use. If you put in too much inventory in a store, if it is not going to sell, it has come back to you in the form of returns. If you put in too less, you have lost out on the opportunity for sale. So optimizing inventory is very, very critical in a fresh product like us. So this stock at outlet and a suggested order, we are taking the help of these two features in Bizom to optimize our inventory planning.